My name is Ben Thorp. I am here in the Salt Lake campus. I currently in the ADN 2-year program through Galen through my work at St. Mark's. One really cool thing about the sim labs is that they have pulled no punches. They got full equipment, everything that we need. They play the scenario out very clearly with roles defined, and it feels almost like a real scenario with a real situation that you have to go in and handle as a nurse. Get that critical brain thinking and to work through the problems and work through the process. And I think it really helps in the real world big time. It's helped tremendously. Plus the campus here is like right next to my house. It just made a lot more sense to me.